Good day everyone, I'm Joshua Clement and today I'm going to talk to you about how to fix your door latch when it just won't stay closed. What happens is over time as the house and walls settle, it ends up throwing your doors out of whack a little bit, so that strike plate's going to have to be adjusted. For this job I'm going to be using a battery powered drill with a Phillips tip bit. Now with these strike plates, they have a small hole there that is supposed to have the cylinder recess inside of it. What happens is when gravity takes over and moves the house a little bit, that hole gets thrown off. So we're going to have to pull these screws out and adjust it to where it'll close. So we'll take our drill, pull out those screws. So we've pulled our strike plate off and here's our recessed hole. What we need to do is go ahead and close the door to make sure that that recessed hole doesn't need to be widened anymore. So without the strike plate, the door closes just fine. So what we're going to do is pull that strike plate out a little bit and put it back in. Hopefully that'll allow our cylinder to slip back in there. So we'll pull our strike plate out a little bit, put our screw in, and go ahead and drill it into place. Now if there's already a hole and you're kind of joining into it, you can go ahead and angle your screw back a little bit so you can grab some meat of the wood. That should keep it in place. Then you can go ahead and close the door and it should latch for you. Sometimes you might have to move that strike plate up or down to be able to have that cylinder go in there. Having a door that won't close and latch properly is super annoying, especially when the door tends to open up and get right into the walking way. Thank you all for watching and good luck with this project.